This is Kilo, and secPhilomath asked another question that happens to be a two-part question this week. The first part of that question is, what is our favorite lock to pick? Um, right off the bat, my first answer would be a new lock rather than an old lock. But I am a locksmith, so I might differ from some of the hobbyists on this because all I pick are old locks, and I'd rather pick a brand new lock out of the package. It's just so smooth. If you guys if you guys are locksmiths and you guys pick, real world locks, it's such a relief when you just have a lock that just came out of a package and you get to practice. It's like, this is awesome. Because, I mean, those crunchy locks and those seized up locks, and it just becomes a nightmare after a while. Um, but to answer this, a different way as well, I would say these little lotto locks, like this master here, this is probably one of my favorites to toy around with. It's full of security pins and it's small and light, so you can, hold it and pick it doing really whatever you're doing. And it doesn't get tiring. Your hand might cramp after a while of, holding the lock, but this is a fun little lock to pick. I recently just did a video where I showed you guys in my last episode of Kilo's Corner. I answered some questions about this. This is the Master Lotto 410. If you guys want to check out that video, I'll leave a link right here. And I kind of answer some of your guys' emails and questions about this lock, particularly. So those are my two answers, I suppose, for this one first part of the question. And his second part of the question, he asked, which lock do you wish you could get an open on? For me, I would say the Medico Duracam. That's a cool lock. I've actually come across once, and that lock is insane. There's a lot. Medico, I mean, you could just go down the list with Medico. Any Medico, actually. um, but that is one lock that I wish I could. I haven't toyed with it enough. Like I said, I've only come across it once. But if I could come across it again, I wish I could get that open. Um, I would say that lock. Yeah, I would go with the Medico Duracam. That's my answer to this question. So, hopefully, those are answers you guys like, or I mean, those are just my honest answers to these questions. Um, for those of you who follow my channel and haven't yet subscribed to secPhilomath, I will leave a link to his channel in the description below. He's got a cool channel. This is part of his. He's got a giveaway going on, and you submit your answers and leave a little hashtag in the title. And he's a really cool guy. You guys should go check out his channel. And he's a really great lock picker, and he's got some interesting stuff going on. So definitely check him out. As always, I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys have a nice day.